In section 1A, we're going to look at prime factoring of monomials, and they're going to ask us to factor each monomial into prime factors. Remember, when we're talking about prime factors with numbers, prime numbers are the only factors of a prime number is 1 in itself. So if we look at number 1 right here, we have 12b squared c cubed. We want to look at the numerical coefficient. Remember, we talk about the coefficient being the number out in front of the variables, and we want to look at factoring 12 down into the prime factors. There's many different ways you can do this. I am going to look at basically a prime factorization tree. So we'll start with the number 12, and we'll break it down into 2 times 6. And then we will break 6 down. 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle that one, and then we'll break 6 down into 2 times 3. And notice 2 is prime and 3 is prime. So we know for the numerical coefficient of 12, the prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 3. So we're going to go 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, and then we look at the variable parts, and basically we have b squared, which means b times b, so we're going to add on b times b, and we have c cubed, which means c multiplied together 3 times, so that would be c times c times c. So the prime factorization of 12b squared c cubed is 2 times 2 times 3 times b times b times c times c times c.